In this video, we'll introduce you to the delightful take on Crafty shepherd's pie, aiming to teach viewers how to create this comforting dish at home. The purpose is to guide you through each step, ensuring that you can replicate this delicious recipe with ease. What sets this shepherd's pie apart are its unique ingredients and innovative techniques that elevate the traditional flavors. As you follow along, you'll discover the joy and satisfaction that comes from enjoying a homemade meal, perfect for warming your heart and satisfying your cravings. To prepare the ingredients for the shepherd's pie, start by gathering key components: Yukon Gold potatoes, garlic, and ground beef. These ingredients form the foundation of this comforting dish. It's essential to use specific items like Kraft sharp cheddar for a rich, tangy flavor, and Newton Silent Light sour cream to add creaminess. A standout element in this recipe is the secret ingredient, BRFT roasted red pepper Italian dressing, which enhances the overall flavor profile, adding a unique depth that elevates the dish beyond the ordinary. With these ingredients ready, you're set for a delicious meal. To begin the filling for the shepherd's pie, instruct viewers to brown the ground beef in a non-stick pan over medium heat, ensuring it cooks evenly and develops a rich flavor. Once the beef is browned, add a sprinkle of flour to help thicken the mixture, followed by a splash of beef broth to create a savory base. Encourage viewers to stir in a medley of vegetables such as peas and carrots, along with the secret BRFT roasted red pepper Italian dressing, which will enhance the flavor and create a deliciously hearty filling for the pie. To prepare the mashed potatoes for the topping, it's really important to drain the Yukon Gold potatoes thoroughly before mashing them with garlic. This ensures a smooth and creamy texture. Next, incorporate Kraft sharp cheddar and Newton Silent Light sour cream into the potatoes. These ingredients will add richness and flavor. Once the mixture is well combined, use a fork to create a decorative top layer. This simple step not only enhances the look, but also allows for a delightful crispy edge when baked. To assemble the shepherd's pie before baking, start by layering the savory meat and vegetable mixture evenly in a casserole dish. This ensures every bite is flavorful. Next, pile the creamy mashed potatoes on top, spreading them out smoothly and creating fork marks for an appealing aesthetic. This decorative touch not only looks great but also helps achieve a crispy texture. Finally, top the pie with a generous layer of Kraft sharp cheddar before baking. This will melt beautifully and create a golden, delicious finish. To bake the shepherd's pie, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the top achieves a perfect golden crust. Once baked, let the pie cool for a few minutes before serving. This allows the filling to set and enhances the overall texture. Enjoy the shepherd's pie after a long day, as it makes for a comforting meal that warms both the heart and the soul. It's perfect for sharing with family or friends. To summarize, we've covered the key steps in making Chef John Mitzik's Crafty shepherd's pie, from browning the beef and preparing the flavorful filling to creating creamy mashed potatoes topped with sharp cheddar. The unique ingredients, like the secret BRFT roasted red pepper Italian dressing, truly elevate this dish. I encourage you to try this recipe and share your experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and explore more delicious recipes at foodwishes.com. Your culinary journey awaits, so let's keep cooking together.